Hi everyone and welcome back again. In this video I'm gonna start with the if statement and the switch statement. Actually if statement and switch statement are exist in all programming languages. And even the syntax is not very different. Actually it's like the same. But now I have this example. For example, I have username and password, so I can just say here user name equal, for example, Osama, and the password equal, for example, only 123. It's like a very bad password, but it's no problem. Now I need to check if the username and password correct. I need to echo something or print something, otherwise another thing. So I can just say if inside it we can add here username equal, which means equal the data here equal, if equal Osama, for example. Now just Osama, just the username, but just for simplicity. So I can say echo like hello. I can say here else, so which means if not Osama, here I said this condition here. If it is correct, this condition, if it is true, if it is Osama, just echo something else, which means otherwise echo, like for example, you cannot access the system. Just a simple example. So now the username is already Osama, it's correct, so I should see echo here. So now if I try, you can see hello Osama. But if I make it another thing here, for example, so here, for example, I can make it Ahmed, and now it is false, it's not correct, so it will return here echo this. Now you cannot access this system. So this is the if and just else. I can say here not just else here, for example, I can cut this now, so we have else if. So I can say here else if in this way in the PHP, so without space. So else if, for example, username like equal admin, for example, I just say that, so echo, for example, hello admin. That's anything you want, and again you can just write else if, so we can just keep going, and at the end you can just say else, so if not this and not this, not this, nothing of those, so you can just say you cannot access here. So for example, I can say here this one I can make it manager, so now it is manager. So come here, if username equal Osama, no, false. So come to another one, else if username equal admin, no, come here, username equal manager, yes, so print this hello manager. You can see now hello manager. So this if else if and then else, and you can add anything you want. Same thing you can add here. I can say if user is Osama, here I can say and here password equal like 123. I need to echo something else, for example, you can add else if, of course, echo user name or password are not valid, for example. So now we have a problem here. I say and, so this should be what? And, which means this should be true and this should be true, both of them should be true. So now the manager is not correct, so I will see, so you can see it's not valid. If I say or, so which means any of them correct, I will see hello Osama. If this correct or this correct, I will see hello Osama. So now here password is correct, so I will see hello Osama. So now hello Osama, and something like that. I can say, for example, else if here, so like and same thing, you can write and in this way or in this way. So you can write it in this way, and you can keep going. You can write anything you want. Now the switch statement, so you can just actually switch the same thing, like the same idea, but here in the switch, if we have like many conditions, you need, it's preferable, I prefer to use this switch here because you have many conditions, you have many options. So now switch, and switch what? Switch, for example, username here. So I can say case here. The case is what? If it is Osama, same thing. I need to do what? Like echo. I can write it here. Can say echo hello Osama, for example, and then I can add a break. So stop everything. Like case, if it is Ahmad manager, I need also to echo something like hello manager. Also like else. So after finish, if it is not manager or Osama, anything else. So you can say here there's no else, but there is a default. So default, you can say echo you cannot access. That's it, and the break to stop here. So if not anything of those, you cannot access. So for example, if I make it Ahmed, now it's not Osama and not manager, so it will be like this. So you cannot access here. So I hope you understand that, and thank you very much.